Hi there everyone, it's Lynnea, and today I have a video for the Rabbit Hole Designs, and I'm going to be using one of the stamps from their first release. It's called So-Fishticated, and this stamp set is probably my favorite that they've ever released. I love the designs and all these little sea critters, and I especially love this jellyfish. So I have a piece of Tim Holtz Distress Watercolor cardstock, and I stamped the jellyfish with Versamark ink and heat embossed with white powder. And now I'm going to be creating a background using my Nuvo Shimmer Powders. These are like powdered watercolors with so much shimmer and shine to them. It's incredible. So I started with a bit of yellow, the Solar Flare color, and now I'm coloring in with my favorite of the Nuvo Shimmer Powders, the Violet Brocade. I love how there's a mix of blues and reds to create this deep purple color. So there's a lot of ways to use these. What I find is easiest for me is I spray down a little bit of water and then I just kind of add some of the powder to where I've spritzed my water. And then you can use a brush, but I find it's easiest to just go right in with my finger and spread it around into the pool of water that I've spritzed my cardstock with. I wanted a little bit of blending, but not too much because I didn't want the colors to get muddy, you know, like yellow and purple don't really mix. So I dried in between each stage of my coloring process with my heat tool, and then I would spray a little bit more water, drop in a little powder, and spread it around with my finger and dry it again. So I'm starting here with the Solar Flare, the Violet Brocade, and the Atlantis Burst is the green color. And I wanted the purple to be in the forefront, so, and because it's the darkest, and I truly love that purple color. But I wanted these other colors to kind of burst out and create this almost a rainbow. I didn't use any red or orange, so it's not quite a rainbow, but you get the idea. So I'm just repeating my process of spraying some water, dropping in some powder, spreading it around, and just heating it in between. I thought that I needed a little bit more color because that purple was really overtaking all the other colors. So I came in with the Blue Blitz color, and I added that to the middle, right over top of the purple, and it kind of intensified that purple and brought out a little bit of the blue, and then I mixed it with the green and the yellow too, and it created a different color, which is just gorgeous. So I'm going to use the See You Soon sentiment. There are plenty of sentiments that you could choose from in this stamp set. See You Soon I just thought was cute for a general everyday card. I took some black cardstock and white heat embossed sentiment. And now I'm just going to go around and clean up my background because I had some stray like little dots. So I used my Tombow Mono sand eraser, and that's my lifesaver. I use it on almost every card, as well as my T-square ruler to make sure my sentiments are straight. So I thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to add a little bit of glitter to the sentiment, and then that's it. I'll shine this in the light so that you can see all the gorgeous color and shine. You can head over to my blog or the Rabbit Hole Designs blog to see still photos. Thank you again for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye!